Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to curve your text on Canva. First of all, to curve your text to any size or shape you want it to be. So first of all, you're going to add text first to what you want to do. So you may first want to increase your so since we do not need these ones, you just have to take them off the page and increase them a bit so you can be able to see what you are doing. So please subscribe so you may be in a better position to change the color of your text. If you want, just click on your text, highlight it and change the color to something, something more visible. You can as well resize, maybe turn it into something bigger. So when you want to resize, now what are you going to do? Click on the effects and maybe change it, add any effect you want, shadow or anything, offset, any of the effects any of the styles you intend to use already, as many styles as possible. But when you want to curve your text, it is right here. There you have it, your text curved. Then feel free to also adjust your curve from this down. Maybe you want it to be more like this, or you also want it to go from up to down, or you want it to go like this. So just feel free to change it as much as possible. So please subscribe, and I appreciate you for watching this video. I appreciate you for taking your time to be in this channel to this point. Thank you very much, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.